The speed of light is the universe's prison for humanity, and it is so slow it is despairing. We always say light speed is fast because it is currently the fastest speed in the universe. Its speed reaches 300,000 kilometers per second. It can circle the Earth about 75 times in 1 second. Its speed reaches 300,000 kilometers per second. It can circle the Earth about 75 times in 1 second. But when scaled to the size of the universe, you will find the speed of light is slower than a snail. Even more terrifying, the speed of light is constant. All civilizations' fates are firmly trapped within the light cone. Many people cannot truly grasp how far 1 light year actually is. If we use the Oort cloud as the boundary, the radius of the solar system is approximately 1 light year. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object. It has already crossed the Sun's heliopause. It is hurtling through interstellar space at 17 kilometers per second. Since its launch in 1977, it has traveled 253 billion kilometers, which is about 228 light hours. This distance has not even reached 1 light day, only a pathetic 0002 light years. NASA scientists estimate Voyager 1 will reach the milestone of 1 light hour next November. But to completely fly out of the solar system's boundary 1 light year away, it still needs about 30,000 years. Voyager 1 is not humanity's fastest spacecraft. It only achieved that speed using the rare alignment of 4 planets. This high speed was thanks to the gravitational slingshot effect. The fastest human-made object is the Parker Solar Probe. Its speed is 190 kilometers per second, about 0.064% of light speed, an extreme human record. Yet even at this speed, to travel 1 light year, it still requires nearly 7,000 years. If humanity were to migrate to another star system at this speed to reach Proxima Centauri 42 light years away, it would still require about 30,000 years. This means if you use the Parker probe as an immigration ship, this civilization would likely have died out during the voyage. In the end, only the ship would still be floating in space like a monument to a lost civilization. Therefore, interstellar travel at current human speeds is completely impossible. Could we travel if we flew at the speed of light? The answer is even more despairing. The truth is, even if we built a light speed ship, we could never fly out of the Milky Way. Because the speed of light is like a snail on the scale of the universe. The Milky Way is 100,000 light years wide. That means light needs 100,000 years to cross from one end to the other. Even if humanity flew vertically away from the galactic plane, it would take 1900 years to escape the Milky Way. Yet escaping the Milky Way is where the true despair lies. You realize galaxies float like islands in the universe. The distance between these galactic islands is millions of light years. To travel at light speed from our Milky Way to our neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, would take 254 million years. Within those 254 million light years, there are almost no stars, no planets, only an endless dark vacuum. Therefore, the speed of light is far too slow on the grandest cosmic scale. It is the speed of an ant. But the most desperate realization is not that we cannot reach light speed, but that the speed of light is constant. Light speed forever remains 299792458 meters per second, no more, no less. This is a physical law written into the structure of spacetime. No matter how hard you try to accelerate it, is useless. Light speed is not just a velocity, it is a fundamental structural constant of the universe. The closer you get to light speed, the more bizarre the physical effects you will encounter. Time will slow down, space will contract, mass approaches infinity, and infinite energy is required to push you forward. This is not a failure of technology. Physics simply does not allow it. The universe wrote the speed of light into the fundamental code of spacetime structure. It acts like a clearly bounded prison, telling you that anything beyond light speed is a forbidden zone. This is the boundary you can never cross. This means civilizations can never cross galaxies. Intelligent life is forever confined to its galactic island. Hence the saying, within the light cone, all is fate. Past light coming from the outside forms the past light cone. Future light moving from us forms the future light cone. Everything we can know, influence, and touch is locked within these two light cones. The regions outside the light cone we can never contact. The speed of light is the universe's greatest miracle and its greatest prison. It is like a critical limit set by a higher power. We are destined to live only within the permitted range of light speed. The universe is infinitely vast, but the speed of light makes it an eternal prison.